Reaching out to me, Jah tomorrow. Jah roots. Go.
Zion roots. Eh. Oh. Zion roots. Rise up and stand, we not bow for none. We chant Jah name under moon or sun. The wicked them run when the fire burn. The battle get rough, but the victory won. The righteous path, we trod it wide. We carry Jah light where we can't divide. The ghetto youths rise, we hold Jah guide. From the stormy seas to the mountainside. Them take the land, but them can't take soul. We chant for the truth, Jah take control. The fire of Zion, it make we whole. Rasta vibrations, we reach we goal. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. The system cold, but Jah love warm. We shield we heart from the wicked arm. The righteous rise like the morning calm. The psalms are the weapon, Jah name the charm. Them build them walls, but we break them down. We plant Jah seed in the fertile ground. We rise with the chant, the righteous sound. Babylon fall when the truth rebound. From the elder wise to the youth we stray. We guide them steps pan Jah way. The fire burn strong, it can't delay. We chant redemption for every day. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Stand firm, me people, the mission clear. Jah light a guide, we no live in fear. We chant Jah name, it can't disappear. Rise up and stand, Jah always near. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Zion roots, yeah. Woo. Zion roots. Zion call, we hear it clear. The voice of Jah whisper in our ear. The righteous rise, them can't interfere. The love of Selassie make the burden bear. The system crumble, it can't withstand. We chant Jah name for the promised land. We walk the path where Jah command. With the power of love in our hand. Them try to distract with the shiny things, but we focus on Jah, the King of Kings. We chant for the truth, where freedom brings. The blessings of Zion make we spirit sing. Zion call, it echo high. The fire of Jah blazing at the sky. We rise on the truth, no need for lie. Zion call, we home, Jah can't deny. The valley deep, but Jah light bright. It guide we soul through the darkest night. The righteous stand firm, them hold Jah sight. We chant Jah psalms, the vibes ignite. Them take the goal, but we hold the faith. The power of Jah open the gate. We stand for the truth when no accommodate. Babylon crumble under Jah From the hills of Zion to the ghetto lane, we chant Jah name, we break the chain. The fire of Jah remove the pain. Zion call, we home again. Zion call, it echo high. The fire of Jah blazing at the sky. We rise pon the truth, no need for lie. Zion call, we home, Jah can't deny. Yeah man, Zion call, the journey clear. We trod Jah path without no fear. The blessings of Jah, we always near. Zion call, we heart, we answer here. Yeah man, Zion call, the journey clear. We trod Jah path without no fear. The blessings of Jah, we always near. Zion call, we heart, we answer here. Zion roots, glitter pop in a display fit. Zion roots, the darkness come but Jah light remain. We walk on the path through giant pain. Them try to break we, but we sustain. The fire of Zion flow through we vein. The righteous chant make the system quake. The wicked them run, them can't partake. We call Jah name, feed the world awake. The blessings flow like the morning lake. From the valleys low to the mountain high, we carry Jah love till the day we die. The truth are the weapon where we rely. Rasta vibration, we lift it high. Jah light eternal, it shines so pure. The love of Selassie make the world secure. We chant the psalms, the fire endure. The blessings of Zion forever sure. Babylon chains can't hold we tight. The spirit of Jah burn them out of sight. We rise with the sun, we fight the fight. We carry Jah love through the darkest night. Them plot them schemes, but Jah prevail. The righteous rise, the wicked them fail. We set the ship a sail, Jah guide we trail. The fire of truth make the system pale. We chant fi the youths where I seek the way. For them Jah blessings light up the day. The love of Jah can't ever decay. We rise up strong with the psalms we say. Jah light eternal, it shines so pure. The love of Selassie make the world secure. We chant the psalms, the fire endure. The blessings of Zion forever sure. Yeah man, Jah light never dim nor fade. It blaze like the sun, make the darkness afraid. The righteous stand firm, we no get swayed. Jah light eternal, we life well made. Like the sun, make the darkness afraid. The righteous stand firm, we no get swayed. Jah light eternal, we life well made. Zion roots. Whoa, whoa. The system set, fi keep we down, but we rise up strong. We wear Jah crown, the ghetto youth a chant. We hold the ground, we burn Babylon lies, we always surround. The struggle real, but the fire burn bright. The lion roar loud in the darkest night. We no bow for riches or the flashy light. We walk Jah path, the road of right. From Kingston to the world, the truth has spread. Jah guide the people, them rise from dread. The oppressors tremble, them spirit dead. We chant redemption, the righteous fed. Rasta Revolution, we lead the way. We chant the psalms, make the wicked sway. The fire burn strong, it can't delay. We rise with Jah love for a brighter day. Them take we culture, try fi dilute, but we hold it firm like the reggae roots. The drums them beat, it speak Jah truth. Rasta chant high with the holy fruits. We no afraid fi Babylon tricks and lies. Them can't match Jah strength, it no compromise. We stand firm, the lion spirit rise. Redemption a come, we see the skies. This system corrupt, it soon collapse. Them chains them break, we burn them traps. We call Jah name, the blessings lapse. The revolution chant can't relapse. Rasta Revolution, we lead the way. We chant the psalms, make the wicked sway. The fire burn strong, it can't delay. We rise with Jah love for a brighter day. Yeah man, the revolution start tonight. We shine Jah light, we burn the fight. From the hills of Zion to the city site. Rasta Revolution, righteous might. Go, Zion road. Whoa, whoa. The fire blaze high, it can't go low. The light of Jah shine everywhere we go. The righteous rise, the blessings flow. We chant Jah name, the truth we show. The system cold but Jah fire warm. We shield the youth from the wicked harm. The psalms we chant make the whole place calm. The fire of Zion bring the holy charm. Them try to silence the righteous song, but the fire of Jah make the vibes prolong. The truth are the weapon where we belong. We chant redemption till the wicked gone. Fire blaze high, it light the way. We stand upon the truth for Jah today. The love of Jah make the darkness stray. Fire eternal can't fade away. The battle tough, but Jah stand near. We fight with love, we no live in fear. The blessings of Zion, we always hear. The fire blaze high, make the path clear. Them try to hold we down, but we no break. We carry Jah light through the stormy lake. The righteous rise with the steps we take. We chant for the truth where Babylon fake. From the hills to the seas, Jah fire rain, it cleanse the soul, it remove the pain. The psalms we chant, make the blessings gain. The fire of Jah can't contain. Fire blaze high, it light the way. We stand upon the truth for Jah today. The love of Jah make the darkness stray. Fire eternal can't fade away. Yeah man, fire blaze high and bright. We chant Jah name through day and night. The blessings of Jah make the future light. Fire eternal guide we fight. One love for the people, the message clear. Jah blessings flow like the morning air. We spread Jah love for the whole world share. The fire burn bright, we no live in despair. The system divide, but Jah love unite. We chant the psalms till the morning light. The wicked them fed, them can't incite. The power of love make the whole place bright. From the Kingston streets to the Zion hills, we carry Jah name where the spirit fills. The righteous stand firm, we no pop no pills. The love of Jah can never kill. One love chant, the fire ignite. The spirit of Zion make the vibes feel right. We carry Jah love from day to night. One love eternal, it shines so bright. The system try to divide the land, but Jah wisdom make the righteous stand. We hold Jah truth in the farmer hand. The power of love can't be planned. Them build them tower, but it soon fall down. Jah light a blaze, it surround the town. The wicked them run when Jah love renown. We chant the psalms, Jah wear the crown. We get a youth rise, we no give up hope. The fire of love make the people cope. From the valley low to the mountain slope, we chant Jah love like the holy road. One love chant, the fire ignite. The spirit of Zion make the vibes feel right. We carry Jah love from day to night. One love eternal, it shines so bright. Yeah man, one love for the world today. The fire of Jah make the darkness stray. We chant Jah name in every way. One love eternal, Jah guide we way. chant for the youths where you trod the street. Them need Jah guidance to make life sweet. The struggle's heavy, but Jah love complete. We chant Jah name with the holy beat. Them try to take we hope, but we no lose sight. Jah blessing shine like the morning light. The ghetto youths rise, them hold Jah might. We chant for redemption in every fight. The elders teach we to hold Jah way. We chant the psalms when the skies turn grey. The fire blaze bright till the night turn day. The power of love can't fade away. Chant for the youths, the future bright. Jah light a guide them pon the flight. We rise for the truth, the righteous fight. The blessings of Jah make the darkness light. The youth them hungry, the system cold. Them need Jah wisdom fi make them bold. The stories of Zion we are retold. We chant for the truth, we never grow old. From the corner block to the schoolyard gate, we chant Jah name fi remove the hate. The love of Jah can't ever deflate. We guide the youth pon the righteous state. The psalms are the weapon, the vibes them strong. The fire burn bright where them can't prolong. The youth them rise with Jah holy song. We chant for them future fi belong. Chant for the youths, the future bright. Jah light a guide them pon the flight. We rise for the truth, the righteous fight. The blessings of Jah make the darkness light. Yeah man, chant for the youths where I rise today. The fire of Jah make the struggle stray. We guide them steps in every way. Chant for the youths, Jah light we say. Roots of freedom grow strong and deep. We plant them firm where the righteous keep. The system try to cut, but Jah roots reap. In the truth of the shepherd, we guide the sheep. The ghetto youths rise with the ancient song. We chant Jah name the journey long. We stand upon the truth where them call wrong. But the fire of Zion make the righteous strong. Them trade the soul for the dollar bill, but Jah love eternal it can't fulfill. The power of roots make the whole world still. We chant for redemption with Jah will. Roots of freedom, them can't uproot. We hold Jah love like the reggae flute. The fire burn bright, the truth absolute. The blessings of Zion bear righteous fruit. Them try to bury Jah roots with lies, but the love of Jah rise like morning skies. We chant Jah name, the wicked despise. The truth burn the system where them disguise. From the side of Zion to the ghetto yard, the power of love make the journey hard. We hold Jah light like the holy God. The roots of freedom make the spirit shard. We fight for the youth where Babylon oppress. The love of Jah cleanse the wicked mess. We chant for the truth where Jah confess. We plant the roots where them can't suppress. Jah path where we can't divide. The power of love make the wicked hide. Roots of freedom strong, Jah spirit guide. Zion roots. Babylon fall down, the system weak. The power of Jah we are always seek. We burn out the lies where them a speak. The fire of Zion make the mountain peak. Them try to oppress, but Jah prevail. The truth of Selassie make the wicked fail. The righteous seal with Jah as we trail. We chant for the people where them set in a jail. Them build them walls, but Jah tear them low. The fire of truth make the spirit glow. We chant Jah psalms, the blessing flow. Babylon crumble when Jah vibe show. Babylon fall down, the fire ignite. We chant Jah name till the morning light. The righteous rise up, the future bright. Babylon system can't hold we fight. The chains them break when Jah wind blow. The power of love make the whole world grow. We burn Babylon, them can't overthrow. The fire blaze high where the righteous know. The people unite under Jah command. We stand on the truth where we understand. The wicked them scatter like sinking sand. The light of Jah spread through the land. The youth them rise with the holy flame. We chant for the truth in a Jah name. Babylon system can't remain. We sing redemption fi heal the pain. Babylon fall down, the fire ignite. We chant Jah name till the morning light. The righteous rise up, the future bright. Babylon system can't hold we fight. Babylon fall, the judgment near. The fire of Jah make the path clear. We chant Jah name with the love we share. Babylon crumble, Jah love sincere. Jah wind a blow through the city street. The fire of Zion make the wicked retreat. We chant Jah psalms with the righteous beat. The truth of Selassie make the vibes complete. Them try fi hold we, but Jah break chain. The power of love wash away the pain. We rise like the sun after heavy rain. We chant for the youth where ya trod the lane. From the hillside cool to the ghetto warm, Jah wind a blow with the righteous calm. The battle get tough, but Jah keep we strong. We chant the truth like a holy psalms. Jah wind a blow, it carry we far. The fire guide like a shining star. We stand on the truth, no matter who spar. Jah blessings flow, we no need no war. Jah wind a blow, it carry we far. The fire guide like a shining star. We stand on the truth, no matter who spar. Jah blessings flow, we no need no war. The wicked them crumble when Jah wind rise. We chant Jah name till the morning skies. the righteous glow. Them can't disguise the truth of the weapon where Babylon despise. Them try to silence the people voice, but Jah give we strength, we make the choice. The love of Jah, we not trade for ties. We stand firm tall with the lion pies. From the east to the west, Jah wind a blow. It cleanse the heart, make the spirit grow. The blessings are fall like the river flow. We chant redemption, the whole world know. Jah wind a blow, it carry we far. The fire a guide like a shining star. We stand on the truth, no matter who spar. Jah blessings flow, we no need no war. Jah wind a blow, it carry we far. The fire a guide like a shining star. We stand on the truth, no matter who spar. Jah blessings flow, we no need no war. Me say, Jah wind a blow through the valley deep. It comfort the soul, Jah love we keep. We chant Jah name, the righteous reap. Jah wind eternal, it can't deplete.